Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to fix Valorant VAN9001, VAN9003, and VAN9090 errors on Windows 11. We'll guide you step by step to enable the required settings and get Valorant running without errors. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. First, let's understand why this issue happens. Valorant uses its security system called Vanguard, which requires secure boot and TPM 2.0 to be enabled on Windows 11. If either of these is turned off or not working properly, you may see errors when launching the game. Let's start by checking secure boot status. Go to the Windows search bar, type System Information, and open it. In the window that appears, scroll down and find Secure Boot State. If it says on, then you're good. If it says off, we'll need to enable it. Next, check TPM 2.0. In the search bar, type tpm.msc and open it. In the TPM management window, look for the version information. If it shows version 2.0, then TPM is enabled. If it says TPM is not found, we'll need to enable it from BIOS. Now we need to enter BIOS settings. Click on the Start menu, search for Recovery Options, and open it. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will reboot into a blue screen menu. From there, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then UEFI Firmware Settings, and click Restart to enter BIOS. Once you're inside BIOS, the layout may look different depending on your system, but the options are usually similar. Go to the Security tab and find Secure Boot, then set it to Enabled. After that, look for Trusted Computing or a similar option and enable TPM support. Depending on your system, TPM might be labeled as PTT, FTPM, or Security Device. After enabling both settings, save the changes and exit BIOS. Your system will restart. Now try launching Valorant again and check if the error is resolved. If you're still getting the VAN9090 error, it usually means TPM did not initialize correctly. To fix this, search for tpm.m-s-c again and open it. On the right side, click on Prepare the TPM and follow the on-screen steps. If that option is unavailable, click on Clear TPM instead, then proceed and restart your computer. After restarting, try launching Valorant again. If the issue still persists, your BIOS version might be outdated. To update it, open Windows Search and type Windows Update Settings. Go to Advanced Options and then Optional Updates. If you see any firmware updates listed, install them, as these often include BIOS updates. If no update is available there, you'll need to update the BIOS manually. Search for MS-Info32 and open System Information. Note down your motherboard manufacturer and model. Then open a browser, search for your motherboard model along with BIOS download, and go to the official manufacturer website. Download the latest BIOS version and follow their instructions to install it. Once the update is complete, restart your computer and try launching Valorant again. This should resolve the issue in most cases. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.